Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. As you all know by the title now that today's video is all about no foundation summer everyday sweatproof makeup look. So let's get started. So I always start with a hand sanitizer because it is really important to sanitize your hands before applying any makeup onto your face. Now I'm applying a face clean gel. This is a medicated gel which is used before applying any makeup in order to prevent pimples. I'm applying with a clean brush all over my face except my under eye area. Now I'm using a moisturizer. This is from Mamaearth. It is oil-free moisturizer. It also controls oils. It has apple cider vinegar which helps to balance the pH level of the skin. It is also non-greasy cream which is free from all the toxins, silicons, parabens, SLS and all the harmful chemicals. And this company also recycle more plastic than they use. Now this is probably the most important step of all, applying a sunscreen, and I am using Mamaearth Ultralight Sunscreen with SPF of 50 which is specially curated for Indian skin, and it also provides up to 6 hours of protection against harsh UVA and UVB rays. And if you want to see full review on these Mamaearth products, so do let me know in the comment section below. Also don't forget to apply on your neck as well. I also really like to give a good 2 minutes massage to my face because these products have all natural ingredients which is really good for your skin. Now I'm going to moisturize my lips as well with my most favorite lip balm, Maybelline, and this is the Alia Bhatt limited edition. So it is very pigmented, so I'm just applying a little bit and then I will spread it with my finger. Now we'll prime my face with Nykaa Prep Me Up Face Primer. It fills in the pores and fine lines. It is also a non-greasy and lightweight formula. And it also gives a satin matte finish which is really good for summers. And it also has vitamin E and it's also paraben free. And again I'm massaging it into my face. Now I'm using a concealer which is my skin color, and for that I'm using my most favorite concealer which is LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Natural to make an even canvas for my makeup, and will dab it with my ring finger very lightly. You don't have to drag it, you just have to dab it all over your eyes. If you have acne or pimples, so you can just apply a little bit of concealer onto those areas as well and just lightly dab it with your ring finger, or you can also use a beauty blender. Now to set my concealer, I am using MAC Studio Fix powder in the shade NC30. Now this compact does have a lot of coverage on its own as well. So if you are looking for a compact powder that has a nice coverage, so you don't have to go with a foundation, especially in summers, then definitely check this out. And guys, this video is not sponsored. All opinions expressed are my own. And I'm also going to set the rest of my face and neck with the same powder to even out the skin tone. Also guys, I shoot my videos in natural sunlight with my phone. So while shooting this video, my phone's memory got full and my mascara part did not get recorded, and I was really upset about it, but definitely will keep this in mind for future videos. Here I'm using my favorite mini Benefit GoPro brow pencil in the shade 5, and I like to fill my brows very naturally and with a very light hand in its original shape, as this brow pencil is very pigmented and creamy, and also Benefit's products packaging is to die for. I really love their packaging. Now we'll bronze up my face with my favorite Hoola bronzer. This is again by Benefit Cosmetics, which comes with its own cute brush, and I really like to use this bronzer as it gives me a chiseled look. It is also very easy to use and it blends very well. Also, I use this even for my nose, forehead and my jawline contouring. Next I'm using one of my favorite pink blush, which is from Kiko Milano. I swirl it around and dust off the excess. This is actually one of my most favorite part, and I also like to apply a little bit on my nose just like Kareena Kapoor does. And I'm using Pro Arte blush brush to apply this. Now I will set my face and seal everything with a setting mist, and the one I'm using is by NYX. And now I'm gonna be using Opal Highlighter by Becca, and will lightly highlight on the high points of my face. And I'm using my favorite Pro Arte fan brush to apply this, and all the products link will be mentioned below in the description box. And I also like to apply this on my nose, cupid bow, chin and brow bone, so that it gives me an overall natural glow. My go-to everyday nude lipstick is Shanghai from NYX. This is such a pretty shade. It's my lip color, but a better version of my lip color. I apply it directly even without a lip liner because I wanted to look as natural as possible. So this was the part I was talking about earlier, that I curled my lashes, and the moment I applied mascara with my Benefit Day Real mascara, that part did not get recorded. Anyway, now let's spray some water on the face to see if it will really holds up. So I am taking water in my spray bottle, and I am going to spray a generous amount all over my face. Now let's go ahead and wipe off the water. And as you can see, my makeup is still there. It looks fresh and nothing has come off, and my cloth is not even stained. My whole makeup is intact, so I am very happy. I hope you are as well. Let me know in the comment section below. And with this, we finish our glowing summer everyday sweatproof no foundation makeup look. I really hope you guys liked it. If you like it, please give a big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to get notified every time I post a new video. Also, don't forget to follow me on my Instagram. Bye!